Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Quora for Business Updated. Keep watching and I'll explain after the break. Hi, long-time subscribers would already know that I have a course entitled Quora for Business. I released the course in January 2016. This is the course image, so when you're searching online and you see this image, you know that that will be connected to my course. During this month, March 2019, I've added new lectures to the course, and the course is now available on Zenler.com. The link to the course is in the description box below. Now let's move from the course image and give you a few more details. So this is me on Quora, just in case. Let's go to full screen. Just in case you didn't know what Quora is, this is what Quora looks like. This is me answering some questions here. Let's go out of that and let's go into Quora for Business. So enter full screen. Zenler is an educational platform. On Zenler, my school or my courses can be found at marketingfundamentals.zenler.com, and link in description as mentioned. Here's the course. So Quora for Business, at the moment it's competitively priced at $60 for lifetime access. So scrolling through the requirements, so that's who the course is for. This course will enable you to build your profile and that of your business, demonstrate your authority, connect with potential customers and business partners, drive traffic from Quora to your website, and boost sales of your information products. So that's the focus of the course. Let's have a look at the curriculum. Here's the curriculum, and so I'm just going to scroll down that quickly. You can pause this if you want to look at the curriculum. Obviously visit the course page. The new lectures are in this section, monetization strategies for Quora. Those are brand new lectures added in March 2019. So this is a course. It's now available on Zenler. Zenler is a relatively new platform for me, so I'm putting courses there so you have easy access to my courses. The benefits of this are that all my courses can be readily found by searching Marketing Fundamentals School on Zenler, whereas on some other platforms it's a bit more difficult to find the courses. If you take the course and then follow up on all the action points, which is key, obviously don't just study courses and not take action. If you take the course and then follow up on all the action points, you'll be able to derive benefits from Quora, which is a non-mainstream platform. There's lots of competition on mainstream platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. But there's not so much competition on Quora. You can demonstrate your expertise in your sector by answering questions, by being helpful, by linking people to resources, by sending them resources, just by making yourself supremely helpful and being open and able to communicate with people that will ask you questions. And you will get a lot of questions. This is a course that will walk you through the platform, some of the basic functions, and then as you get to the end of the course you'll see how to deploy particular strategies and what the benefits of those strategies will be. But it's universally accessible, this course, so that if you are a complete beginner you can get lots of valuable information out of it. But if you are an intermediate or advanced user, there are still some strategies within this course that will help benefit you and help get more views and more return on investment from a business perspective from the Quora platform. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. If you've liked this video, give me a like. Click on my face to subscribe and on one of the screenshots to watch another video. Thanks. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye.